here with the window down about halfway. It is pretty quiet in the cab. Roll the window up. Give it a little bit of gas here in a second. Windows up. Give it some throttle. So for those of you that are wondering how Stephanie's doing, she's doing great. I've got a couple of things I got to do to her soon. One of which is this drive shaft loop and a couple other things. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go down and hit the subscribe right now and click the thumbs up. It'd be much appreciated. And I will see you guys on the next one.